Tired of that constant white noise in your ears? Discover these natural remedies to restore your peace and quiet. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can sometimes cause ear noise, so drink plenty of water. Herbal teas, ginkgo biloba, and ginger tea have properties that can improve blood circulation and reduce ear ringing. Sound therapy, using white noise machines or soothing sounds, can help mask the noise and provide relief. Subscribe for more health tips. To learn more about recovering from hearing loss, link in comments.